Good morning, class. Today we are going to discuss about the importance of financial planning. Sound financial planning is essential for success of any business enterprise. Its need is felt because of the following reasons. There are some reasons why it is important. First is it facilitates collection of optimum funds. The financial planning estimate the precise requirement of fund, which means to avoid wastage in overcapitalization situation. Yes, if you are doing your financial planning properly, then you will be able to avoid the wastage of the fund, and also you will control the situation of overcapitalization. What is the meaning of overcapitalization? Beta, overcapitalization means employ the money more than required. Okay, जितने भी मनी की रिक्वायरमेंट है उससे ज़्यादा मनी इन्वेस्ट करना, दैट इज नोन एज ओवर कैपिटलाइजेशन. दैट सिचुएशन इज नॉट good for the organization. So first point is it facilitates collection of optimum fund. Second is it helps in fixing the most appropriate capital structure. Fund can be arranged from various sources and are used for a long term, medium term and short term. Financial planning is necessary for tapping appropriate source at appropriate time, as long-term funds are generally contributed by shareholders and debenture holders, medium term by financial institution and short term by commercial bank. Yes, capital structure means the ratio of debt to equity, how much fund you will raise from the debt or from borrowed capital, and how much fund you will raise from the owner's fund. To decide that ratio, financial planning is very helpful. Then third point is help in investing finance in right project. Financial plan suggests how the funds are to be allocated for the various purposes by the company, various investment proposal. Okay, there are many proposals are available in the market, but you will have to choose the most appropriate proposal or project. So through financial planning you can take decision in which project investment will be good or fruitful. Then fourth one is help in operational activities. The success or failure of production and distribution function of business depend upon the financial decision, as a right decision ensure a smooth flow of finance and a smooth operation of production and distribution. Yes, there are different types of operational activities or day-to-day activities which company has to do. So if a company is good or organization is good in financial management, financial planning, then the working of the or operation of the company or organization will run smoothly. Then next is base for financial control. Financial planning act as the basis for checking the financial activities by company, the actual revenue with estimated revenue and actual cost with estimated cost. Yes, it is also very helpful. We have studied in controlling function that standard performance are measured by actual performance. In the same manner, what will be the estimation of the income and how the actual income is, both are managed through financial planning. Then help in proper utilization of financial resources or finance. Whatever we know that finance is the lifeblood of business, so financial planning is an integral part of corporate planning of business. All the business plan depend upon the soundness of financial planning. Yes, we know without fund business is not possible. So all the activities which are related to finance is decided in such a manner that the finance available should be used properly. Okay, these are some importance of financial planning. If you have any doubt, then you can ask. Thank you so much.